us start part 1, chapter 12, Smart Chart and CERT class 5. In this video, we will learn about telemarks. Telemarks at page number 159 to 161. So let us start. Telemarks. What is telemark? So telemark is a way to represent a number, or I can say a symbolic way to represent a number. So in international numerals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. How to represent these symbolically for representing these numbers? So what is the symbol for representing 1? This is 1. In order to represent 2, we do like 1, 2. For 3, 1, 2, 3. For 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in telemarks we represents 1 like this, 2 like this, 3 like this, 4 like this, 5 like this. So how can we represent 6? For 6, this is symbol of 5, and for 6 we add one more. Okay. For 7, so 7 has one symbol of 5, 6, 7. So in this way we can represent any number like 16. How to represent 16? 16 is 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1, 16. So for representing 16, we make such kind of symbols. So in these symbols, I can easily understand 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1, 16. Okay. So for example, this is a telemark. What is this symbol stands for? Yes, 10, 20 and 3, 23. So symbolically 23 can be represented like this. So I hope telemarks are clear to you. Let us move and use these telemarks. How we use these telemarks. Chichi meow meow. Yamini did a project on animal and birds. Okay. She asked each child of her class about one pet animal. Okay. She used telemark to record each answer. For example, when someone said cat, she put like this. When someone again say cat, she put second telemark. Then if someone again say cat, she put telemarks here, and every time she increase the number like this. Okay. In all, 24 children said cat. 24 children said cat. So how to represent 24? Like this. 10, 15, 20 and 24. So in this way 24 telemarks can be represented. So let us see the project with other animals. This is 24 dogs. So how many numbers are there? Yes, 10, 20, 32, 32. Simply we can count this. This is 5 plus 5, 10, 10, 22. So cows are 22. Parrots 5 plus 3, 8. Goats 2 means 10. Again 2 means 10 means 20. Squirrel 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15. So we can easily convert tally marks into number. And we can also convert number into tally marks. Okay. So let us move to next question. Making tally marks on road. Sunita stood on the road for half an hour and counted the number of vehicles passing by. She made a tally mark for each vehicle. This helped her in counting quickly the total number of vehicles in each group. So she stand there for half an hour and saw how many vehicles are going from the road. It is very difficult to count like this. For example, one, then she has to write two, then she has to cut this, then three, then she has to cut this, then four. So in instead of doing this, she just put tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that no cutting will be there. So this is the use of tally marks. Okay, so let us see what she saw. She saw 8 number of cycles. So how to represent with tally marks? 8, yes, 8 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 plus 3, 8. How to represent 6? 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 3, simply 3, 9, 5, like this, and 4, 9 by 4. So cycle 8, truck 6, rickshaw 3, auto 9, bike 4. So in this way, she can count total number of vehicles. Okay. And how many total number of vehicles? 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15. 15. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. 27. 15 plus 12. 27. Okay. You can add now this 8 plus 6. 14 plus 3, 17 plus 9. 17 plus 9, 23 plus 4, 27. So you have noticed adding this is also easy. Okay. So now see this. She has converted tally marks. Now we have to convert in number. So we can easily convert 10, 20, 25 and 3, 28. 10 plus 2, 12. Car are 12. Auto rickshaw 10, 15 and 3, 18. Buses are 15. Cycle 10, 24. Truck 6. Okay, so in this way we can convert tally marks into number. So this is all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now for more such videos. Thank you.